Russell is more or less likely to follow whatever the other indexes do. So if we get breakouts, if we get a nice solid break higher in the SPX, then next stop on the Russell, we have a price pattern that's essentially going to look like this. That'll put us up at around 1700 if we break out. So this has a little bit to run also if we break out, but I think it's going to resist doing so until we get some strength in the other indexes. And of course, if the other indexes fool us, if we get a bit of a drop, then this is going to try and retest its short-term support level. And if that breaks down, it'll try and test this trend line down here. So those are my thoughts on the indexes. We're basically mixed right now. Overall, I'm leaning a little with the bears for the next couple days, but after that, we're expecting to go higher unless we get some new information into the marketplace and we start breaking some levels or something like that.